Imagine you want to send some crypto to your friend. You tap send, and the coins instantly fly across the network. But what actually happens in the background? How does the blockchain know that the transaction is real? And who gets to approve it? Welcome to Blockboard, the channel where we make complex tech simple. Today, let's uncover how proof of work and proof of stake actually keep blockchains running. Let's bring in our friendly character Maria. Maria wants to send one coin to her friend John. Before the transfer is accepted, the network must check it. But different blockchains verify transactions in different ways. And that's where our two systems come in. Proof of work is like a massive mathematical race. Miners compete to solve a difficult puzzle. The first miner to solve it gets to add the new block of transactions to the blockchain. As a reward, they receive newly issued cryptocurrency. Maria's transaction gets included in that block and is now officially confirmed. Why proof of work is strong? 1. Very secure. To cheat the system, someone would need more computing power than the entire rest of the network combined. 2. Battle-tested. Bitcoin has used proof of work since 2009. Proof of work drawbacks. Huge energy consumption. Solving puzzles requires real-world electricity. Slow. Bitcoin finds one block about every 10 minutes. Expensive. Miners need powerful hardware to stay competitive. Proof of stake, POS. Now we meet another character, Alex, holding some coins in his wallet. In proof of stake, there's no computation race. Instead, validators stake their coins, locking them up as collateral. The network randomly selects one validator to approve the next block. If Alex verifies the block honestly, he earns rewards. If he tries anything suspicious, some of his staked coins can be slashed, taken away. Proof of stake benefits. Energy efficient. No giant mining farms needed. Fast and scalable. Great for modern high-traffic blockchains. Randomized validator selection. Less wasteful competition. Proof of stake drawbacks. Favors wealthier holders. More coins staked equals more chances to validate and earn even more. Potential centralization. Large whales can gain majority influence. Quick side-by-side comparison. Proof of work. Computational race. Very secure. Slow. High energy usage. Proof of stake. Coin staking. Energy efficient, fast and scalable, can favor big holders. Despite their differences, both systems help blockchains agree on the same, correct version of events, ensuring every transaction is valid, transparent, and tamper-proof. That's all for today's breakdown. If this helped you understand how blockchains really work, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto insights right here on Blockboard.